Hello everyone, and welcome to the Employee Training Manager video series. The purpose of this video is to demonstrate how to set up Employee Training Manager to print using A4 or US letter paper format. Before we start, let me give you a brief introduction to the two paper formats, A4 and US letter. This slide shows details on the size difference between A4 and US letter in both millimeters and inches. US letter is mainly used in the USA and Canada, whereas A4 is used mainly internationally. Depending on what settings our printer is set to, determines which paper format we need. If we set the paper format to A4, but the printer is set to US letter, we will find that on some reports the text is trimmed at the edge or data spills over the edge of the page. To ensure that reports print as intended, we must make sure the paper format in Employee Training Manager is set to the same as the printer. Let's get started. Let's begin by clicking the Options icon located on the top menu bar. Now select the Settings option on the left-hand menu. We can now see the system settings on the main window. The one we are interested in is the report paper size. This is currently set to A4. Let's go ahead and change this. Click the Edit icon to view the dialog where we can make this change. For report paper size, there are two options, A4 and US letter. Before we make the change, let's turn on the help so we can use this as a guide. The tooltip gives a brief explanation of the differences between A4 and US letter. Let's select US letter and click Confirm and Keep Changes. We can see the main window has now been updated, but to store this change, we need to click Save. Because this is a system change, we need to restart the application. The application has now been restarted, so let's check the paper format. Select the Reports icon. We can now see in the banner the paper size is now US letter. Thank you for watching, and I hope you found the information presented both practical and useful. If you have questions about anything covered in this video, please contact our support team.